Hi everyone. Well, it's that time of year that the summer edition of my Good to Be Home magazine is coming out. There are a lot of great things in this magazine, but I really want to bring it to your attention, the inside cover. And it's water safety tips for summer. And I was called out yesterday when I was kayaking by the tour guide, and he said, you need to put your life jacket on. I said, oh, it's so uncomfortable. And he told me a couple of stories of people on the kayak tours that one went overboard, one had a medical issue, and if not were wearing that life jacket, things could have gotten worse very quickly. So I put my life jacket on and I will wear it from here on in. But there are learn CPR. I always knew CPR when Sean was little. I haven't done it in years, but I was thinking, why don't we do a class like that? I can put something together, and whoever wants to join can do it. It's so important all year long, but especially in the summertime because of accidents by the pool and in the water. There are practicing safe swim habits. Never let anyone swim alone. Always have swimmies on a child. Do not swim by yourself at night. Don't go in a hot tub by yourself, ever. I don't even want to go there, but ever. Do a home pool safety check. Make sure there's a fence around the pool. Make sure there is an alert on the pool, a siren on the pool, on your door going outside and also in the pool. God forbid a pet or worse, a child falls in the pool and you're not alerted until it's too late. And yes, I hope I'm scaring you about this because these are things we need to do. And then what's the last one? Always wear a life jacket. So I will wear my life jacket. We are in a boating community here on Long Island, and nobody, except if you're a little child, wears a life jacket. I put a life jacket on my dog and I don't wear my life jacket. It's so stupid. So my mind has changed and I will practice that safety tip from here on in. Also in the book is how to keep your home in selling condition. So there are great articles in here about speaking to different contractors, about painting rooms, about changing a hardware on your cabinets or on your dressers or in your bathroom. Just elevates the look of your home. And of course your landscaping. This is the most fun time to create your own energy outside in your front yard, so that when my future daughter-in-law always tells me, I always say, your lawn is so beautiful, and she goes, I told my landscaper that when I come home, I just want to pull in the driveway and take a huge exhale after a long day of work and say, I'm home. And she's so right, Rachel. And there are just a bunch of different articles like that in here. And then there are 3 great recipes. This of which we will be making today is the tomato toast with burrata and fresh tomato and basil. I went out east to the farm stands while I was showing houses in Shoreham on Sunday, and I picked up a great big tomato that we're going to use in that. So stay put for a few minutes. I'll put everything together and be back with the finished product. Okay, so this is the finished product, and let's take a taste. So I don't even want to do this on camera, but I'm going to do it. All right, but I'm turning sideways. Oh my God. So delicious. The cheese, tomato, the sweetness of the strawberry. Everything that I buy, as far as the fruits and the veggies, I buy at farm stands. We have a great Bayshore Farmers Market on Friday nights from like 3 to 7. Amazing vendors there. So let's support our local farmers. Please make this. Your family will love it. It did not take any time at all. You do have to marinate the tomatoes and strawberries for half an hour, but otherwise, bon appetit. I hope you enjoy the magazine. See you soon. Take care.